Hi, this is your librarian, Miss White, and I want to take a minute of your time to advocate for adding the Sora reading app and ebook collection to our library. Our library offers an excellent selection of books that seems to meet our students' information needs, but our circulation numbers are high, and the library is a hub of activity throughout the day. However, as the recent school closures have shown, we can only meet these needs in person. We need to improve our ability to facilitate remote learning. How do we provide library access when there is no physical library? We have to make sure that students can access the collection remotely. This is where Sora comes in. The Sora Reading app is one of American Association of School Librarians' best apps for 2019. It provides access to the largest ebook collection of all the ebook catalog options, and it also provides the opportunity to connect to our local public libraries collection. Students can check out any book they want from the collection and read or listen to it on a computer, tablet, or phone. They can highlight and take notes. And while there does need to be an internet connection to access the catalog, students can download their book for reading or listening offline. The audiobook and read along features help struggling students build language comprehension skills. And the collection also provides teachers with access to various professional development ebooks and audiobooks. Now, I know your next question is, how much will this cost? Well, the first thing we should do is establish our Massachusetts Library System membership and then enroll in the MLS Commonwealth ebook collections. This will give us access to the Sora Overdrive ebook collection at a cost of 0.827 cents per student. There will also likely be a one-time joining fee of around $100. After that, we will be able to provide our students with access to ebooks from anywhere they happen to be. Remote learning is likely to be a more common occurrence in the school year, and adding this capability to our library will give our students 24/7 access to our collection and ensure that they will continue their growth as readers and information seekers in the 21st century. Thank you.